hi. It's been a while since I vlogged, and now I'm driving, so it's a lot of things has been happening. If anyone cares, I know you guys kind of only like soldering videos from me, but maybe some of you do care, so this is the vlog for those 10 people. Hi. Here's what happened. A lot of things have happened. I have been really busy with Burning Man, and now we know what kind of a disaster Burning Man turned out to be. Coffee shop. The purple cheesecake. What's going on? Oh my god. Oh, look how cute. I can't.
Do you have orange vanilla?
Hello. Okay. Oh, here we go. Here we are, Mama. Where's my stunning friend? Oh.
Miss Paula, what's happening? Look at her. Diva.
Hi, vlog.
Hi, I love that top of you.
I just wanted to share with you, like my it's usually really loud here. I can't really talk, but they don't have any music on. This is my little outfit of the day. I just finished this like this shirt. I bought this. This is actually mesh, and it's a lot of those eyes on that piece of mesh. It's like small and large, and these ones like it's a cute little. I'll show you the full outfit, and then I have my pants. It's how we doing it. So we started t-shirt design lately, so I'm excited about that. So it's happening. We're gonna get really busy for Burning Man, and that's what we're doing. Anyway, but I'll say, someone did call today at Glam Squad. It's kind of quiet today because it's Sunday, end of the week, and I just want to show you the piece that is so cool. I'm so proud of this piece. I made it some time ago. It has this snake eye that I constructed using polymer clay. I think that I have a video on my channel, and she's just casually holding this color. And I don't know, my favorite store, it was the first store that I walked in, and this is the chair that I made. I know it's like girl is all over the place, but I made this chair a while ago. I love it. I gifted to Cosmo a few years back, and like this is also my piece. It's so cute. It's just so stunning. They're getting ready for Halloween. I'm sorry, they're getting ready for Burning Man. Look guys, these are the kimonos also that are mine. I made this also was a collaboration, really nice. And these ones actually been here for a long time. For some reason they're not selling, I don't know why, but they're like natural. This is like natural silk. They'll sell. I'm excited. Look at that beautiful window display. Like look, who would have used zippers? Like it's insane. Only here, only on Melrose. And this one just defines gravity.
She came to do her own interview.
Let me see the ring. I like how it's all rusty and like it's small compared to the one I have.
But look at this one.
This is nice too.
It's good.
Yeah, but pizza girl is like.
But overall,
who wants to eat
it's
pizza
not,
for like dinner?
you gotta
know what I
find
mean?
it.
Thank you for look at that. Like look at this. Just so taken care of. All my rings. I can't believe like she came here, right, and liked it. So happy. Anyway, I'll go home because I have not had any food. This is beautiful too. Some leather work.
Dinner at the house with your family, or you going?
We're going out probably. Something, I had Korean barbecue yesterday. It was so
Yeah,
good.
I'm done with just Korean and just Mexican, all this kind of food in here. Bro.
Tell me, Prince, what are the plans for
What
are the plans for our bright future?
Good place to get wings. And it's hard.
Hard here.
It's
Really?
so hard. Florida, I would rather be in Florida and be eating like all those like and
It was good. I haven't had it for a while. It was really good.
Food here is not good.
It's
not.
Really?
Excuse me. You go to Florida.
I am at Cosmo Dinaro, the store where I have my pieces. So I came in to just chat with them, and then I'm also dropping off some pieces. I'm trying to talk over music because copyright, but I'll show you around. do dress weird, which is fine. And this is the full look with this shirt. Okay, so let's go get coffee.
I'm done at 8 sharp.
What is this? What is this? I want it. It's gorgeous.
Yeah.
How
We're not gonna
cute.
sell it to the black.
Yes, perfect. Yes. Can you turn around? Yes. Oh my god, it looks so good. Thank you. It's fresh. She is. Yes. Come on.
Drag me out.
I can't. Oh my god. Can I show you? It's very hip hop. On you, it's very hip hop. I don't know how you're making it so, but it's like. What's going? It's comfy, huh? You belt it. Okay. There's gold behind you, gold everywhere, black and gold. Let me. Okay. Oh my god. Yes.
Are we too much?
Oh my. This is very European too. It's like, oh my gosh.
I was thinking the same thing though. Alice in Wonderland.
Yeah. It's a little costumey.
But I was also thinking Bridgerton.
Oh yeah.
It's got a Bridgerton vibe.
Oh my gosh, thank you. This is, oh my gosh, thank you for modeling. Ah, I love it. And imagine like if you wear just a short skirt so you can show a little bit of leg. You can wear nothing underneath for a party. Little stickers here, a little something, and the leg goes, yeah. Oh my god, yes. You can tell we're in Melrose. There's sirens everywhere. I'm so glad that I dropped it off because it's been some time since I saw Dinaro, and they really like one piece that I made, like a snake piece. I'll insert a video of a snake piece so you can guys see. And they were like, why didn't you drop it off at this store? They have few stores. They have 3 stores actually on Melrose. I don't think I've seen this. This is new. Anyway.